What's going on, everyone? This is Dustin from Wet Paint Auto Detailing. Just wanted to showcase this Ford Raptor that we did a colored paint protection film installed on. So this truck is originally gray. Basically everything's gray on it except for the black fenders. So what we did here is a almost like a satin white paint protection film. So I basically just transformed the gray to white and then also did a black, gloss black PPF top. So this being paint protection film, it'll hold up a lot better than vinyl. It looks a whole lot better than vinyl for sure. And this will also double as giving the truck a little bit of a unique look, but also protect the paint underneath. We did do satin paint protection film on the fender flares. So those are originally black. So I got those. Just make this Raptor look different from the other Raptors on the road. Thought it came out pretty sweet. We maybe have one more hour of finishing touches on it out here, and it will be going back to the owner today. This is definitely a challenging but fun project for us here at the shop, so we're definitely happy how it turned out. Definitely looks cool. If you're looking to have anything like this done on your vehicle, definitely give us a call. Thanks for watching.